Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. As you can see behind me, we are living next to a massive pine forest. So what I've been doing is, when we have big storms here on the farm and stuff, a lot of the pine trees blow over. And then what I do is go and cut down those trees that's blown over by the wind and the storms, and then I pull them into my farm for the deer. So what I do is they strip the pine needles, and that's good for worm burden, I was told. After I strip the trees, the needles of the trees, then I drag the trees onto the farm in certain spots for cover for the animals, because the old school farmers believed in cutting down every last single tree. I was told why it has been done for years of that was the animal laying in the shade is an animal not feeding. So luckily the new farmers that's taking over has got a very different farming style, and all of us are trying to plant as many trees as possible. So that's our thing as well. With the tree lucerne, we try and plant as many trees as possible. Willows, poplars. Let me go and show you what it looks like a few months after. As you can see here on this section here where I have put down the dead trees, you see the grasses have grown. Really nice cover here for animals. So now I'm tying this together. Not a good time of the year to do this. Okay, we'll just back up. As you can see here on this section here where I have put down the dead trees, you see the grasses have grown really nice really nice cover here for animals. And below, if you look on the bottom side here, you see the deer can't get to the plantain, the clover, so it's really good for seedlings and to make seed and stuff. So this is a place for the fawns to hide during the storms. Not that it's enough cover, but rather a bit of cover than nothing. I'm still working on it, so the one thing about deer is they rather tolerate the wind and the rain than heat. So yes, this is the results after a few months. The rushes has grown really high. I was here yesterday and there was a couple of fawns sitting or laying down in the rushes, so it's a work in progress, and I will definitely add some more onto this pile in the next couple of weeks, just to keep it going, and eventually the animals will have enough shelter during the storms and the colder months when it's needed for them to have a bit of shelter. I just want to say thank you for all your ongoing support on my channel. Please share this video, click and subscribe, leave some comments please. It's very important to leave some comments for the algorithm to see that there's some engagement, and I will keep posting and keep it real. That's the thing for me, is to keep it real, what's going on here. The struggles and the tribulations, it's all part of learning curve, and we learn every day. We learn every day, we better ourselves, and eventually we will succeed. Thank you for your time. Keep safe.